Hey Super Guys, it's Kitty Cass, and today we're doing a unboxing of Owlcrate. Again, if you don't know what Owlcrate is, it is a monthly subscription box that gives you one young adult novel and some bookish items. So, this box is the February box, and it is The Power Within. I'm excited about this box. No further ado, let's just open it. I hear rattling. Do you? Kind of hope nothing's, broken out of it. Oh, it's super cute. There we go, right there. Excuse the box. This has spoilers. We're not looking at that. Ooh, okay, so first thing I see was part of a spoiler that they released last month for this month's box, if that makes sense. A deck of cards. These look really pretty. I'm kind of gonna open them because I kind of want to see what they look like. They're reflective. That is super cool. Oh, wow. They are gorgeous. But look at this. Super ooh, there's a character. Super fancy and very, very pretty. So we got a deck of cards. And if I didn't mention in the intro, these Owlcrate boxes are $49.99 US. We got a cute bag with a something in it. Okay, so on this end there's a lady, and on this end it says, "A witch is just a girl who has realized her powers. Her powers is her own." It feels like one of those cloths you clean your glasses with, or like maybe a monitor screen if you don't wear glasses like myself. This is adorable. And I love the cute little moon and star bag, because I love moon and stars. I have a moon tattoo here, and I have a star, like, kind of reminds me of Peter Pan. That's why I got it. Yeah, so stars and moons are one of my favorite things. And we got a pin. So in every box you get a pin, and it relates to the book that's actually inside the box. And this one says, "Still I will fight," and it has like a cute little crown, kind of very Ariel, Little Mermaid vibes happening. And I found the source of the rattle. It is a kendo box. I believe that's how they're pronounced. It has Owlcrate on here, and it has this, sorry, it's an e-hair. Has symbols here, and it comes with chopsticks and a spoon, and some cute little dividers. That's really a good idea, because packing your lunch saves you money. Who doesn't like to save money? And there's a mysterious envelope that says, "It always follows you, and you'll always follow me. Thread Sisters to the end. BFF bookmarks." And they're metal. That's actually pretty cool. This is what I'm excited about. So I'm currently still reading The Bone Houses, but I've decided to read, I believe it's called Infernal Devices. I believe. But look, you get a sneak peek of the last hours. Same author as Mortal Instruments, so that's pretty cool. So I will read that when I'm done the series, because I'm a slow reader, guys. I'm sorry. Break Bills Alumni. Cute little keychain with a little bee on it. And it looks like, last but not least, we have the book, All the Stars and Teeth. And in every box, you get a cute little note from the author. And you get a book that is also signed by the author. Man, we're just whizzing in this box, aren't we? And we have the little activity book, and at the back of it they always have a playlist, and they're usually actually really good. I will put the playlist down below in case you'd like to listen to it. And that's it. And next month's theme is Music of the Night. Very, very Phantom of the Opera-esque. And it looks like we'll be getting a candle, I believe. Pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you guys had fun with me unboxing this box very quickly, I might add. I think this is maybe the quickest unboxing of Owlcrate that I've done. Maybe I'm getting better at it. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect. I hope you guys have a great one. Bye.